Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the stats visual bug in Golden Glory. But before we dive in, let's talk about something exciting. Help our channel grow by hitting that subscribe button. If we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll host another epic event just like the Marketplace Rush from last time. You won't want to miss it. Now, let's get back to the main topic, how to fix the stats visual bug. If your stats seem lower than usual, try unequipping all your items. Then, check to see if any of your stats have gone negative. To fix this issue, simply unequip all your equipment and restart the game. This should refresh your stats and resolve the visual bug. Just like that, the visual bug is fixed. Your stats should now display correctly. But don't worry, this bug doesn't actually affect your stats during gameplay. Once you start a match, your stats will automatically return to normal, so there's no need to worry. Here's another tip, inspired by a question from one of our viewers. What items should I keep, and which ones are best to sell? The best items to keep are those with attributes and affixes that align with your class or build. A great example is this crystal sword with pure magic affixes. The magic-related stats make it ideal for magic-focused builds. Another is this wisdom ring, that's almost the same as the crystal sword. As for the items best to sell, these are the ones that either don't have any affixes or don't align with your build. For example, take this wisdom ring with physical affixes. Since it doesn't match the primary attribute or affixes needed for a magic-based build, it's better to sell it rather than keep it. It won't provide the full benefit for your character. That's all for today's video. I hope this helps you on your adventures in Golden Glory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and guides. See you next time.